Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel that brings you detailed breakdowns of the latest machines shaping the future of mobility and defense. In this video, we take a closer look at the new 2025 JF-17 Thunder, a fighter jet that continues to evolve with new technology, advanced avionics, and upgraded combat capabilities for modern warfare. The JF-17 Thunder has long been recognized as a lightweight, cost-effective, and highly capable multi-role fighter. The 2025 variant marks a new chapter in its evolution. Designed through continued collaboration between Pakistan Aeronautical Complex (PAC) and China's Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, the 2025 version brings enhanced operational range, stronger sensors, and refined aerodynamics. This new upgrade aims to strengthen performance in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, boosting frontline readiness for modern combat environments. The 2025 JF-17 Thunder features several structural refinements. The airframe now incorporates improved composite materials, making the jet lighter yet more durable. The redesigned intakes provide better airflow stability, especially during high-speed maneuvers. The cockpit layout has also been updated with new digital interfaces and a wide-area smart display, making pilot workload significantly smoother. Altogether, these upgrades contribute to improved handling, reduced drag, and greater fuel efficiency. One of the most important upgrades in the 2025 model is its next-generation avionics suite. The aircraft comes equipped with an improved AESA radar system, offering higher detection range, faster tracking, and better resistance against electronic interference. The new radar enables multi-target engagement with increased accuracy. Along with this, the jet now integrates enhanced communication systems, data link upgrades, and a strengthened electronic warfare suite to improve situational awareness and survivability in complex missions. The new 2025 JF-17 Thunder introduces an upgraded power plant that provides better thrust output and lower fuel consumption. This results in improved climb rate, better agility during dogfights, and extended range for long-distance missions. In terms of weapons, the jet supports an expanded arsenal, including next-gen air-to-air missiles, precision-guided munitions, anti-ship missiles, and smart bombs. This diverse loadout gives the fighter exceptional flexibility in modern battlefield roles. With its 2025 upgrades, the JF-17 Thunder stands as a strong competitor among modern fighter jets in its class. Its affordability, advanced electronics, and dependable multi-role capability make it a valuable asset for air forces seeking high performance without extreme cost. As nations continue to adapt to evolving defense challenges, the new JF-17 Thunder remains strategically important for future air defense and tactical operations. The new 2025 JF-17 Thunder represents a powerful blend of technology, efficiency, and adaptability. With its redesigned structure, advanced radar, enhanced agility, and expanded weapons system, it stands ready for the next generation of aerial missions. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more defense and automotive updates in future videos.